Hello, good noon. Just now, a few minutes ago, I finished my lunch, and I finished my lunch means I didn't take rice. I have taken porota and egg and tea. So because I have most of the time I don't take a lot of time for cooking or for lunch, dinner, or breakfast, because I try to give much time, give a lot of time for study in DSB group, because at the time at present I think that I have to recover my lackings of basic skill. Recover means I have to make myself basic skill is strong. That's why I am active here in DSB group. So, and that's why I don't and at present I am giving focus for my study, but I know that this is not enough for me, and I want to say that today I am very happy because I got a very beautiful review from my customer. As an entrepreneur, I am an entrepreneur. As an entrepreneur, I love to get beautiful reviews. Not only beautiful, but though it's beautiful or bad, whatever, I like to get the valuable reviews from my customer. And but Alhamdulillah, still I didn't get any bad review about my product. So that's why I am feeling that I think that I am very lucky. But whatever those reviews are from this, what kind of reviews are very important for me, I just noted those reviews, because those are very important, and I take care of them. I take care of those reviews, and customers review is very important. Customers review means not only a review, but also this is valuable opinion. What will help helps me to develop my business. And though I am an entrepreneur, but sometimes, most of the times, I like to purchase from online, because nowadays we depended on online, and all the time I buy or purchase product from known person. I never purchase from any unknown person, because this is not right way for purchase product from online, and that's why I like to purchase from my known person. And whatever I purchase from online, I like to give a review beautifully, because the feedback is very important, and I know the feeling when a seller get a review from his or her customer. So and that's why. But my customers are really supportive for me, with me, from my starting of my business. They support me all the time, and they love me, they respect my business, and all the time they support me. When I am sick, or when I am any problem, or when if I am worried about any matter, they message me. My sisters, I mean my customer sisters, all the time try to take care of me. That's why I am very lucky, alhamdulillah. So and I also think that I also should behave with my customers like this, like the way. And I try to take care of my customers, and I always try to listen to my customers, whatever they want to say. Those are objections, or good reviews, whatever. So, and bad review is not when if but so many people think that if so many people think that if they get any bad review from their customers, they feel worry, or they feel depressed. But it's not the right way. we have to solution, we have to recover the problem, and customers review, a negative review also are important for our business. So thank you so much. Never no more today, and I have to learn today, because I decided that I won't go to outside. I cancel my all the program sorry I cancel my all the program, and I won't go to outside, so that I will give more time for study in Search English group or DSP group. And thank you so much. You know that my phone is not good, it's working slowly, it's working very slowly, but I will try to make myself super active. Allah Hafiz. Thank you so much.